Well, I just started it from cold. I was videotaping it, and after about 10 minutes, I thought maybe it had resolved itself. It was just idling. Before, it only idle from a cold start for about 2 minutes, then it would die. I left it on, and then about 15 minutes it died again. And I'm gonna try and start it right back up and probably see again. And that's it. So it'll get to the point now. I might start it. It might start one more time, but then it won't even start after that until I let it cool down, which maybe tells me it's heat related. I have no fucking idea, to be honest. Any ideas you guys have, I'd really like to hear them. Thanks.